Enjoy your tour of the temple. How many here from? Two of you over here for just the moment.
There's two other rooms, and there's your bunker. So and another room, they're like right across from each other. So I don't know if they get scared. It's so crazy. So I'm really get scared. It's whoever's coming out, you know? So wait, is that a single one? Yeah, yes, but I'm the guy in my garage. But I'm really sharing. We are going back to the baby shower next month. I was thinking about gender.
Creme of the international smart set are wearing khaki this year, and the new vacation hotspot is Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Everyone's agog over this intriguing discovery by famed archaeologist Indiana Jones. They've heard rumors that it rewards visitors with unlimited riches, eternal youth, or visions of the future. There's just one little hitch, the ancient temple idol. If you so much as peek into its eyes, the next stop on your itinerary will be the Gates of Doom. This jubilant junior visited the Chamber of Earthly Riches. Looks like his allowance has gone up. Solid recently visited the Observatory of the Future. Maybe he could tell us who will win the World Series. Keep your eye on the globe.
The future. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny.
answer on your own.
But please stay seated until your transport comes to a complete